Okay, this is Geometry 6.5, First Day Trapezoids and Kites. Make sure you have your toolkit with you. We're going to be adding some stuff into our toolkits as we go along here. So I already did the lesson, so this is just a little review of what we did today in class. We spoke about what a trapezoid is. So we have the definition of a trapezoid. It's a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. So here is the picture. We have this side and this side are the parallel sides. We call those the bases. Base 1 and base 2, and then the segments on the end are called the legs. So the end segments here are called, this is a leg, and then this is a leg. We also have the two base angles at the bottom. Now sometimes if the legs are the same, then we have a special name, and that's called an isosceles trapezoid. And if the legs are the same, then of course the base angles have to be the same. Kind of works the same way for a triangle, isosceles triangle. Okay, then the second box, the thing that we did today, was we put theorem 6.14, 6.15, and 6.16 into our toolkit. We spent about 4 minutes doing that. Afterwards, we came back and did an example and said, well, if we have an isosceles trapezoid here because the legs are equal. So that means that the base angles have to be equal. So we figured out all the rest of the angles. So the measure of angle S had to be 63 because that is congruent to angle P. Angle Q has to be 180 minus 63, so 117. Therefore, angle R had to be also 117. So there's a little example of how you use the base angles. And then the fourth box, the last thing that we spoke about was the midsegment. And the midsegment of a trapezoid is the segment that's right in between the two bases. And two things happen, right? One, we can say that the midsegment bisects each leg into two congruent pieces. And the formula for the midsegment, or to find the midsegment, is just the average of the two bases. So you add base 1 plus base 2 and then divide by 2. So we're going to use that coming up tomorrow. So the homework was page 359, 10 through 24 even. All right.